The Bugatti La Voiture Noire is the world's most expensive new car, reaching a top speed of 261 miles per hour and accelerating from 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. Its interior design may feature 1 or 2 diamonds. It comes with a hefty price tag of $18.9 million after tax. But what is it that makes this car so incredibly special, other than the fact that it is a custom-built, one-of-a-kind Bugatti? Sit back and relax as we take you on a virtual tour of the interior of the world's most expensive car. Bugatti La Voiture Noire launched at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire is the world's most expensive new car. Translated to English, it means the black car, the supercar of all supercars. It was designed to pay homage to the Type 57 SC Atlantic, which is one of Bugatti's most iconic cars. We'll explain shortly. This project, initiated by Bugatti to commemorate its 110th anniversary, merges exceptional engineering, passion, and exquisite design, embodying the brand's esteemed reputation for taste, luxury, and power. The Noire is a masterpiece like no other and looks like something Batman or James Bond should be driving. It's mean yet sexy, sleek, and stylish, and screams power and elegance. And just to put its price tag into perspective for you, for the same $18 million, you could buy a 66 BMW 520, luxury sedans, 114 Toyota Camry, or a whopping 238 Suzuki Swifts. While what's under the hood is nothing short of impressive. We're talking about an 8-liter, 16-cylinder quad-turbo engine, which can produce 1,479 horsepower with 1,180 pound-foot of torque. The car's interior will leave you speechless. La Voiture's, or Nula's interior, was the very last detail to be unveiled, and it was simply because the buyer had not finalized the interior by the time the supercar was unveiled. Whoever bought this masterpiece sticks around and will tell you that even now that this car has found a home, the details of what's inside are still being kept slightly under wraps. And if you think about it, whoever spent $18 million on this supercar deserves to keep at least a little of it all to himself, but we'll share what we've managed to uncover about its interior in just a bit. First, let's delve into the history of the inspiration for this ultimate supercar, the 57 SC Atlantic, which was designed by Jean Bugatti, one of the sons of Ettore Bugatti, the man behind the brand Bugatti, who produced only 4 Atlantics between 1936 and 1938. However, today, there are only 3 left. The 4th mysteriously disappeared. While it's a well-known fact that Ettore would hide several of his cars during the Second World War to keep them safe from the Nazis, most of them have been since found. But the 4th Atlantic is still missing to this very day, and it is rumored that if found, the iconic 4th Atlantic could be worth $114 million. That's almost 100 million more than LA Bucciano. So how did they disappear? When World War II began, the store transported all of its masterpieces by train to Bordeaux for safekeeping. The 4th Atlantic was among them, but it never reached the southwestern French city. Sadly, nobody knows more than that. It disappeared without a trace. It was widely hoped that the missing Atlantic had been found and would be the car unveiled in 2019 as La Voiture Noire, but it wasn't. The luxury associated with the Bugatti brand is something the company has never wavered on. All Bugatti cars are built with superior technology, unique mechanical elements, and premium and luxury components, and this goes for the body as well as the interior. With a price of nearly $19 million, it suggests that the Voiture Noire includes many luxurious elements, possibly more. While we cannot verify this, there are rumors that all Bugattis feature a 1-carat diamond in the speedometer and power needles. What we can confirm, though, is the designers paid incredible attention to detail when designing La Voiture Noire. The handcrafted components making up the car were made with excessive care and precision. Each headlight, for example, consists of 25 individually milled pieces to achieve the desired shape. And lighting the vein-like design of the weight-distributing wheels is another detail that is hard to miss. Whether or not you love cars, this vehicle demands attention with its stunning handcrafted black carbon fiber body. A Bugatti is designed not only for looks but also for performance. The carbon fiber construction enhances the supercar's speed and control. According to the car designer, The aerodynamic efficiency of the body is a complete work of perfection. Etienne Salome says we worked long and hard on this design until there was nothing that we could improve for us. The coupe represents the perfect form with the perfect finish. What makes it even more impressive is that every component was meticulously handcrafted. The craftsmanship on display in the Noir makes us appreciate the skill and effort involved in its creation. For starters, it took 2.5 years for the total build to be completed and delivered. Yes, it was showcased at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show, but the truth is, what was unveiled then was only a design mock-up and not the actual final product. In addition, the Noir is powered by a Bugatti W16 8-liter quad-turbocharged engine, which the company unveiled in 2005 in the Bugatti Veyron. It provides the car with an impressive power of 1,480 horsepower. Just think about it. With this amount of power at its disposal, very few other cars will be able to cope with its acceleration of 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.4 seconds and a maximum speed of 248 miles per hour. The Noir shares the same framework as the impressive Chiron, but it isn't merely a Chiron with a different body. It distinguishes itself with unique wheels, a thoroughly tested aerodynamic design, an innovative internal layout, and an advanced cooling system. As for the interior, Bugatti describes it as being covered in Havana brown grain leather with aluminum inlays in various locations, and, of course, a diamond or two, if the rumors are to be believed, as for the owner. Before we tell you, remember to hit that like button and subscribe button. Even though the idea and concept of the car were born inside a Bugatti, some of the design components were reportedly contributed by the buyer, such as the exquisite 6 exhaust pipes that sit at the back of the car. It is one of the features that adds to the grandeur of this magnificent beast of a car. Before the Noir design was finished, the concept was shown to a buyer, and whoever it fell in love straight away and agreed to the concept and sale. No other offers were made, nor was the car ever offered to anyone else. And the truth is, we're not exactly sure who the owner of the supercar is. It's ironic that no one truly knows the mystery of the Fourth Atlantic. Why would the buyer want to keep their shopping spree private? Hiding a remarkable purchase like the Noir would certainly be difficult. It has been speculated that La Voiture Noire was bought by none other than Cristiano Ronaldo. Others have speculated it was scooped up by the former VW chairman Ferdinand Peach. Some have even hinted at the fact that Floyd Money Mayweather owns the Noir, though we're pretty sure that if he were the buyer, we'd know one thing for sure. The owner of the magnificent La Voiture Noire possesses a keen eye for detail, a taste for luxury, and a deep appreciation for fine craftsmanship.